Oh, I'm not as good as I thought it was. Let's see if I could try to get this in here. Oh, I hit the camera. Sorry about that, guys. Did that hurt? Apologize. All right, so today I'm out here in the southwest of the Las Vegas Valley, just right off of, what road is this? Oh, Silverado Ranch in the 15. And I am in a community right now by Tri-Point. And these are all modern townhomes. And the reason why I'm out here today is because I wanted to shoot some standing inventory properties. Because I've noticed a lot of our viewers now are requesting standing inventory products because you really get your bang for your buck as far as discounted properties. Look at this community pool right here. It's gorgeous, right? I'm out here in the community called South Ridge Point. These are all townhomes. Now, we did film these townhomes at one point. Sold a lot of them. There's like a dog park over here too. I'm gonna just show you this dog park right here. Let me just flip this camera around. But we notice a lot of consumers are always looking for like a discount. And I understand. It's all about saving as much money as you can. And a lot of these standing inventory products, I've been selling a lot of them lately to consumers from out of state. And we got one right here. I just can't believe how much of a discount this is. Like the comps in this neighborhood for this floor plan is about $540,000. But today, right now, it's a steep discount on this property. Let's take a look at this. Pretty cool, right? This one is 1,822 square feet. Look at this, we got a Ring doorbell here. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms with a 2-car garage. Fully equipped, ready to go. Move-in ready. So if you're just starting off, this would be a pretty good starter home here. I thought this was tile, but this is all tongue and groove LVP. Actually looks very nice. They did a really good job on this. Now, one of the incentives that they have is you can literally get an interest rate for a home like this, less than 4%. Sometimes you can get an APR less than like 5%, which is kind of crazy to me. A lot of you guys really focus on the interest rate. The interest rate just dictates the monthly payment, but you got to focus on the APR. And sometimes you may get an interest rate at a 4%, but if your APR is at 7%, that's a pretty high annual percentage rate that you're getting charged. And basically, that's just letting you know how much is really going towards like interest, right? A year. They got a carrier system here. Wow, this is kind of interesting. I've never seen this before. We have the gas line right next to the condenser. Now, if you notice, the lights are not on here in the kitchen, but it still brings in a lot of light for sure. We've got some scratches here, but keep this in mind. With the standing inventory, you still have the option to come in and do the inspections. The builders will still fix whatever it needs to be fixed. Let me just shut this door here. Now, I believe we could possibly pick this thing up for $475 if you're a cash buyer. Look at this. They even threw some dovetails on here. This is insane, dude. Look at that. Let's take a look at our pantry. Definitely need to add some shelves here for the pantry. All soft closing cabinets. Refrigerator, washer, and dryer. Definitely will be included as we negotiate this deal. See what we got for the garage here. Wow, this garage drops probably like 2 feet, which it's very high ceilings. And look at this. You've got the tankless hot water heater. Got some extra tile and flooring. Where was the tile at? I didn't see the tile. It's probably in the wet areas. Now, if you guys want the builder standing inventory list, I have it for all the builders from Tri-Point, Tow Brothers, Pulte Homes, Lennar, KB Homes. We've got discounted from like 40, 80, 120. I just did another video, $250,000 price reduction. So if you guys want that list, just make sure to go to the comments. I have a link there. Click that link and just request the standing inventory list. Oh, here's the tile. Looks like we got the 18 by 18 on the tile here. Hey Ellen, how are you doing today? The only reason why I just said that is because I was with a client yesterday, and she is a follower on YouTube, or actually her husband, and she watches us all the time because they're considering buying a home out here in Vegas. She says, I always look at myself in the mirror. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Power over Ethernet, 2, 4, 6, coax cable. Now here's just a quick tip, guys. Okay, when you're working with any builder, any developer, tell them to mark all these. I hate when electricians or guys that are running low voltage don't tag this, because now you don't know which room this goes to or which camera system this goes to. Like, this doesn't make any sense. So now you're gonna have to source out all these cables and figure out, and it's like you're running back and forth from one room back to this panel to figure out which cable is which. We've got 8-foot ceilings here on the second floor. Here's your laundry room. Like I said, we're gonna have to negotiate washer and dryer. Always do that with the standing inventory. Looks completely different with no furniture for sure. So this one has no Cat 6 or coax cable. So is this one. So now the question is, there was a total of 6 of those power over Ethernet. Where is it? I mean, obviously we have one in the primary. It's got a dual zone air conditioning unit. So here we've got 2 and 2 coax cable, 2 power over Ethernets, right? Power over Ethernet. Then we have 4 more. Where's the other 4? I think HOAs here are about like $210 a month, which is not bad. Here's another 2 more, so that's 4. I mean, this one's not that bad whatsoever. All right, guys, that is pretty much it for the video home tour. So this whole month, I think I will be filming nothing but standing inventory. Some of the stuff that you're going to be seeing in the next couple of weeks will not even be on the market yet, but also the price reduction is there. So if you guys are interested, make sure to subscribe to the channel so that way you're updated with these standing inventory properties. It's like I said, it's not even going to be on the market, so you won't even see it, even like online or anything like that. So if you're interested in buying a home out here in Vegas, I definitely would love the opportunity to earn your business. Other than that, I wish you guys nothing but the best, and be blessed.